Hey, what's up everybody? Today we're exploring the anatomy of the Blister MedPack. This kit has everything you need to prevent blisters and treat them. Let's go ahead and check out what's inside. So, what you get inside the kit is you get 9 super skin pieces. So, this super skin, you guys, is absolutely outstanding. I use it all the time. This will not only prevent blisters, but if in fact you end up getting a blister, this will treat it as well with a little triple antibiotic. You cover right over it. So I want to show you guys, it does have a 4-way stretch to it. It's absolutely outstanding at conforming to all the nooks and crannies of your foot, your hand, wherever you're going to put it. And it will stick up to 7 days. So moving on, you do get 3 triple antibiotic ointment. Great if you already have a blister. Super skin and triple antibiotic, you're good to go. And then of course 6 sterile alcohol prep pads. So cleaning the area and sticking one of these on, it'll make it last a very long time. So again, I use this stuff all the time for all kinds of things, for running and hiking and hunting and you name it. Huge fan of this stuff. I use this all the time. All right guys, that's it for the Blister MedPack. I want to thank you guys for showing up and stepping up your first aid game. I'm your guide, Billy Haley, helping you stay alive.
You don't need super skin if you don't have normal skin in the first place. Ha 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 ha.